Okay, I found a couple more hidden gems over here on the other side, but thank you. Yes, you always gotta love it. Oh look, and it's got the pop-up headlights too. Oh my gosh. Yep, all yellow interior. That's special. That's special. Little square body here. Should be here with a heater. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go over here where I've seen a couple more. Though. God, that yellow. I don't know why lately, but I've come to custom yellow colors. No. Nope. So God, a lot of Bel Airs. Love it. Love it. She's for sale too. They're all for sale. Oh, they want 43 for this one. 43. And a little clean. Little factory AC in there. Okay.
Yeah, he's looking at it and remembering all this stuff.
Beautiful.
I remember.
Beautiful.
I remember when I was little, he'd let me play around in them.
A couple more. Look at this. That is beautiful, and my camera and the sun do no justice on that color. But that blue with the metal flake is just incredible. Look at that. Boys and girls, you know what this is. That's a little twin Turbski action. Boom, boom.
Yeah, it's not that.
No, that's a Dodge Dart. I mean, they're both Dodges, but my gosh, little twin Turtskis on that. There you go. God, that just looks beautiful. Little Dodge Dart action. Dollar Dart. Little Plymouth. What's that? A Duster? Little Duster action. Look at that paint though. What? It's like that's just gorgeous. I don't care. I love that green. I love that green paint. Yep. Yes. Another just beautiful Dart. Beautiful. Beautiful Dodge Dart there. Oh, Magnum. Little Dart Swinger. Beautiful.